Hi, I'm Mr. Obregon. I'm the art teacher here at Arthur and Polly Mays Conservatory of the Arts. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the art exam. The art exam comes in 4 parts. The first part is a contour drawing of a still life, and that's basically where you do a drawing with one line to basically draw all of your objects. The second part of the exam is a value drawing of that same still life, only this time you're not doing a line, you're doing dark and light shading with a charcoal pencil. The third part of the exam is a self-portrait. The first part of the self-portrait is basically drawing it out, and then the second part of the exam is using oil pastel to provide color. Fourth part to the exam, and that's the interview. And basically we ask you a few questions such as, what are your interests in art? What are your future plans? Those kind of things. One of the things that you need for an audition here is a portfolio. It should be a mixture of class projects and personal work. I would say probably limit the cartoons. We don't want to see too many of those. If you're taking the exam online, you will need the following materials. You should have paper that's about 12 by 18, or you could tape two sheets of computer paper together. That you'll need 6 of those sheets to come up with the paper for the 3 exams. The differences between auditioning online versus auditioning in person will be having to do with more of the materials that you'll be using. If you audition with us in person, then we will be providing the paper and the materials for you to work with for one of our sheets. The exam otherwise is exactly the same. Now the other difference is that when you are finished, the test has to be uploaded to a link that is provided for you by the school. And that's also the same link that you'll be using to upload your portfolio.